Ambassador Solomon Karanja ni umwe wa arata mutigaire President Mwai Kibaki aria mahetwo mweke wa kwaria handu-ini ha arata a hakuhi. Karanja ugite ndugu yake na Kibaki yambiririe mwaka wa 1958 me bururi wa Uganda riria Kibaki ari mwarimu thiini wa University ya Makerere nake Karanja ari murutwo.
When we were students and he had a little Volkswagen when he was teaching at Makerere, and occasionally when we wanted to go to Kamulu's was a nightclub, a nightclub that was quite frequently attended by university students, and of course university students had to be back into their room by midnight. Now, if you are lucky enough to be close to Mwai, when he had that little Volkswagen, and he was the resident tutor for Livingston Hall, you could get a ride.
Augete shaba ogina kio gia Kibaki ciambiririe kwiyumiria matuku-ini macio ona mbere ya thiete kuongerera mathomo cukuru wa guthomithia mathabu wa London bururi wa Ngeretha, na riria arikirie agicoka akiandikwo Makerere eta murutani na ndari theru na wira wake.
Secret was not to go to bed when you have come back late from from wherever it was, but to do so after you have done your job. So he used to go to the university lecture rooms, deliver a beautiful lecture, and then when he comes back, apparently that's when he went to sleep.
Thank you. Karibu mzee.
Kuringana na Ambassador Francis Muthaura ugi wa arata hakuhi ya Kibaki augite riria arugamirire ruhonge rwa aruti a wira a thirikari nake Kibaki ari president, miturire ya aruti a wira a thirikari yambiririe gucokia riri rungu rwa utongoria wa Kibaki.
He empowered all of us in the public service. He empowered the private sector. He empowered our military.
In 1988, when our dad was released from Kengongo prison, he told us he was only attending a government seminar. We knew he was targeted for supporting you.
Akiongerera ati kiu no kio kiari kiambiriria kia gukura kwa utonga wa bururi makiria hoka ni ukuria wa iganda na barabara.
For us who remain, we will finish what remained uncompleted.
When he came to power, our GDP was about 14 billion US dollars. When he retired from the leadership, it was around 60 billion US dollars.
Maugite ndugu ya arata othe a Kibaki kuma matuko ma tene ndiri yatoweka amu family na arata ni mamwe ma maria aratiite o nginyagia matuko make ma muthia. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jitagwo Jenga Wabui.